Everyone wants to buy stocks at the bottom when they are undervalued at the lowest, cheapest price. But is it really possible to time the bottom? We think it's possible. So in this video, we will go over our bottom fishing trade strategy so you can learn how to catch a stock bottom without luck, because our strategy is truly a data-driven process based on the fact that the rich get richer. So we analyze and follow the trades of wealthy investors on this channel. To demonstrate this strategy, we will use our recent trade in Hormel Foods as a real example, which has now made 250% profit today, February 29, a leap day. And coincidentally, the stock took a big leap up after earnings. In fact, the largest percent increase since 1987. But even before earnings, you can see the stock bottomed 2 weeks ago on February 14, as it started to go up even before earnings. So the rally after earnings today just confirms that the stock has indeed bottomed, because it will be very difficult for the stock to come back down now. We got into this trade along with a wealthy investor on February 9th, which is 3 trading days before the bottom on this day. We published our video here explaining why we were buying bullish long options on the stock despite its scary downtrend, as if it was crashing. This goes to show how our strategy of analyzing trades of wealthy investors, in this case $530,000 trades, is quite effective in catching a stock bottom. So we'll put a link to this video at the top here. If you missed it, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on other profitable opportunities. In this video, we discussed our options strategy here when each trade cost $53. And here you can see the profit loss diagram. Current profit of $133. Okay, we are very deep in the money on these call options now. We'll still gain slightly some more because we are very close to max profit. But just taking this calculation of 133 of profit and dividing by the $53 of initial cost times 100 for a percentage, you can see 250% profit in 2 weeks. Now keep in mind, this strategy, like any other strategy, does not win 100% of the time. So we can't just invest all our money in just one stock. So in order to reduce our risk to increase profits, we diversify our portfolio with other stocks that wealthy investors are trading. So go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here if you are interested in learning more on how you can gain access to these trades of wealthy investors, because we know these wealthy investors have a lot of resources to do the research of fundamental analysis to find what stocks are undervalued, or the technical analysis to find out when a stock may bounce up higher, with many different techniques that we may not even be aware of. Okay, so go to our website to learn more. And on the day of February 9th, this wealthy investor who spent $530,000, we can show that trade here. You can see on February 9th, when Hormel Foods was trading at $29, okay, which is actually just about 50 cents away from the bottom, because we can see the bottom was $28.50. We detected and described and showed this trade here, the March 15, where they were buying the 30 strike calls. And we can see 10,000 contracts, the volume on February 9th. And then they sold the 32 strike calls, 10,000 of them as well. And we knew these were all opening trades because the open interest is less than 10,000. Okay? And we described it in the video. And that is how we have this trade here that we got into, where we were buying the 30 strike calls and selling the 32 strike calls. And so these 30 strike calls are very deep in the money, since Hormel Foods is now trading at $35. Okay, so that is why this trade is also very close to max profit now, because it is extremely deep in the money now. All right, so this is how we were able to do this, because we had analyzed the data on the options time and sales tape here. As you can see, this data here, as well as other variables as well. Finding these trades of what the wealthy investors are doing in the stock market to give us an edge, so that we can also make money when the wealthy investors are getting rich on Wall Street. So if you want to learn more about our work, go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here, and we'll put a link to our video. Make sure to watch this video to learn more on how we were able to analyze and catch the bottom to this stock. Because if we can do this consistently, we will be able to consistently make profits in the long run. Take care and have a great day. Please smash the like button as usual.